Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to register Singapore Airlines HighFlyer. Singapore Airlines HighFlyer helps you enjoy preferential airlines and earn HighFlyer points when your employees travel for work. To register Singapore Airlines HighFlyer account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.singaporeair.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Singapore Airlines. Now here you can see the option of For Business at top. Click on For Businesses. Then choose the option of HighFlyer Business Travel Program under Business Travel Privileges. Now here you can see all the features of HighFlyer. Now click on the option of Enroll Now. With that, here you'll be taken to the registration page. Now, here you need to first enter your company information. First enter your company name on the given box. Then enter your company registration number on the given box. Now, here you need to enter your address of your company. Then select the country or region in which your company belongs to. Now, select the state or province. Then select your city or town. Now, here you need to enter your postcode. It is an optional choice. Now here you need to enter your contact information. If you are a resident of European Union or Switzerland, then you can click on the given yes box. Then scroll down. Now here you need to select your title. Then enter your first or given name that should be similar to the name in your passport. Then enter your last/given name that should be similar as in your passport. Now if you don't have a first/given name, then you can click on the given box. Now here you need to enter your job title. It is an optional choice. Then enter your email address on the given box. Now here you need to enter your contact number. First select your country code by clicking on the given box. Then enter your business number. After that, you can also enter your mobile number. It is an optional choice. Now here you can enter your PPS club or your KrisFlyer membership number. It is also an optional choice. If you are booking flights for yourself, you need to enter your KrisFlyer membership number to earn miles. If you are not a KrisFlyer member, then you need to sign up and update your profile later. Now here you can see communication preference. If you like to receive promotions, then you can click on the given box. Now here you can see travel policy. It is an optional choice. You need to first select the currency, then enter the annual travel budget. Now here you can enter your query or comment. It is also an optional choice. Now once view the privacy policy terms and condition, then click on the box stating that you authorize to complete the registration on behalf of your company. Then click on I am not a robot box. With that, click on the option of submit. With that, your registration process for Singapore Airlines HighFlyer will be successfully completed. After that, you'll be able to create your Singapore Airlines HighFlyer account. This is how we can register Singapore Airlines HighFlyer. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.